major snowstorm of the 2010 season for here in the Ohio area. I am almost meteorologist Broken Star, often called Forecaster Star, and that there is the most powerful snowstorm to hit the area so far. Of course, there's only been one so far, but at this point, we are about ready to have our first big snowstorm, and we are expecting as much as 2 to 4 inches of snow. Unfortunately, for those of you who are hoping for a snow day, it looks like it's all going to take place on Saturday, so they'll have a long time to clean it up, at least the heavy stuff. So, sorry guys, yeah. So, it's a powerful snowstorm, it's a large snowstorm, and we're expecting it to start to come into the area possibly as early as 6 a.m. tomorrow morning, and continue possibly through Sunday, even off the end of the current hourly forecast, which is 4 in the afternoon tomorrow. This cul-de-sac that you see behind me, I mean, right now it's just a cul-de-sac, but pretty soon, within the span of a day or so, we will likely see this, not black and green, but white, with the snow cover. We are already starting to get some wind off the storm. In fact, I think I'll just step back here and pull out my Across Technology handheld anemometer. So yeah, I just measured a wind gust of about 5 miles per hour, so not quite the most powerful thing ever yet, but it is still pushing in, and I can see my not handheld anemometer, my wind fan anemometer on my roof is spinning too. It's pointing sort of north and west, which is the direction the storm is coming from, and we are expecting some heavy snow. Snow warnings in effect for much of the area from the Dublin Cotton Weather Service. And there is currently a large snowstorm that is actually taking place, the beginnings of this storm, over an area that stretches sort of from like Minnesota down into southern Illinois. Winter weather advisories, winter storm warnings in effect for a lot of that area, including my hometown of Chicago. And we are expecting also possibly some severe weather from this system. We could see winds as much as 35 miles per hour. And as I said, snow accumulations of up to 4 inches. If that goes up any higher, a winter storm warning for heavy snow will likely be issued. So, that's all we have for now. I'll bring you more info when this storm starts to get going. From the Dublin Cotton Weather Channel, I'm almost meteorologist Forecaster Star.